Reading this on CNBC reassures me even further that the markets don't trade within the news, at least the news that is reported. U.S. consumer sentiment cools in July to a 7-month low. Stocks rally 1% despite consumer sentiment. And I don't think they'll really tell you the real reasons why they do this. And oh, it's interesting. U.S. producer prices post surprising increase in June. Prices going higher, and that's surprising because that's interesting when you take a look at this. U.S. producer prices unexpectedly increase in June. U.S. producer prices saying the same thing. Despite big drops in energy prices, a sign that some inflation pressures could keep the Federal Reserve on guard. And unexpectedly, that's just too much anyway. Back to the original page again, and you have JP Morgan profit falls on a 4.4 billion whale loss. I love that word whale. But let me just fix this up so that, there we go. The biggest U.S. bank said it lost $5.8 million in 2012 from disastrous credit bets that traders might have tried to conceal the extent of the losses earlier this year. Of the trading losses, $4.4 billion came in the second quarter, but the bank still generated nearly $5 billion in overall profit for the period, which meant outside of that, $9.4. Well, it's pretty interesting that we have a bank that, well, it's really not too hard for them to make money, but then they have to pay debts back as well. I kind of wish that JP Morgan would explain to their customers how their currency is created. It's just a nice thing to do, I think. Stocks to watch we have on here. But if we want to bet, to me, this is a wager. This is the futures market to me. One of them anyway. Take care.